Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something a little bit neutral, a little sparkly, a little bold, and a look that's perfect for the holidays. So that is what I created for you guys today. This is the look. I love how it turned out. This lip is juicy. I am in love with it. I love how the eyes are kind of neutral and cool toned, and then the sparkle and the lip, everything just feels so perfect for the holidays. And this look is perfect for New Year's as well. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in Nudie Pink Medium. I'm first picking up this light neutral brown. I'm first going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm running the shadow through my crease, going back and forth. You're barely going to see this shadow right now, but I like applying something that's a few shades darker than my skin tone as my transition shade. It helps make the other shadow that I apply through my crease a little bit more blendable, and then I like bringing it back again to help blend everything out. I'm now picking up this dark cool tone brown. So now picking up this shadow on my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm first packing this onto kind of this outer third of my lid. I'm going to keep the center of my lid free of any shadow. So I'm just doing patting motions, tapping that on, and then I start using the tip of this brush to start bringing this through that crease area all the way into this inner corner. And then I'm picking up more of that shadow and applying that on this inner third of my lid again, and then blending that through the crease. And you can see I'm doing little circular motions to distribute that shadow through my crease, and then I go back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then again circular motions to blend everything out. And I'm using a really light hand to help blend everything out. Now I'm bringing back again that same shadow that I applied as my transition shade, and you can see that just helps buff everything out and makes it look really seamless and diffused. And I always like doing this step with a fluffier brush rather than the E25. That's why I included both these brushes in my brush set, because they work so well together to create a really diffused crease. For my lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing I did through my crease. So first starting off with that lighter shadow, and now going into that brown shadow and my E15 flat definer brush by Sigma. I'm first applying this really close to my lash line, kind of wiggling it in there, and then I start diffusing that down. So I kind of just diffuse down, and that smokes out and blends out that shadow. Now for the center of my lid, I'm picking up this Lancome Le Monochromatique eyeshadow in Eclat. So I'm picking the shadow up on my finger, and I'm going to start tapping that into the center of my lid right where I didn't apply any shadow. And I'm just going to keep packing on that shadow. It just becomes so much prettier and more intense when you keep packing on the shadow. And the shadow has a really beautiful finish to it. It's kind of like a champagne with some pink pearl in it, so the topper that I'm going to put over top is going to complement the shadow so nicely. Then what I like to do is I'd like to take the brush that I used to apply my shadow through my crease with nothing on this brush. I didn't pick up anything else. I just like to blend out the edges really lightly, and then this area through my crease. As a topper, I'm going to the Pixi X Maria Maquillage Liquid Fairy Lights in Mirage. Look at how beautiful that is. So this also has that kind of gold and pink reflect. So this is going to be perfect to top this off. And I'm just tapping that over top of the center shadow. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brood. I'm now going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Tati lashes in TL4. And that's the eye look done. So now I have to do my cheeks. I have my base all done, but I don't have my contour / bronzer, blush, and highlight on, so I want to try something new. So I figured I'd show you guys here on camera and try it together. So first, for my contour / bronzer, I'm going to be using this forever and ever. It's my favorite ride or die, and that is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I mean, you guys know how good this is. Like, if you haven't tried it, go try it, check it out. It's amazing. And I'm just going to run that through my cheeks using the brush that comes with the Hoola bronzer. Now for my blush and highlight, I'm going into this face palette by Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright, and I'm using the shade Moonlight Glow, and this is what the palette looks like. It is so cute. So there's a bronzer, blush, and highlight. I'm going to be using this blush and then this highlight. And these palettes do come in a variety of different shades to match a variety of different skin tones, which I think is really cool. And these palettes are so cute, so I'm excited to try it out. I'm applying the blush with my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. And now applying the highlighter with my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. A holiday look would not be complete without a red lip, so I want to do a super juicy red lip, and I'm going to go into this Buxom Bubba Plump liquid lipstick in Boldly Go. The shade is so pretty, so I cannot wait to try it out. And that's it. This is a completed look of my sparkly neutral halo smoky eye paired with a red lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Obviously, you can wear this look anytime besides the holidays or New Year's Eve, but it is that time, so I think this look is perfect. Let me know what other color combinations you guys want for the holiday season or New Year's down below in the comments so I can read them and create videos that you want to see. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!